Welcome to English in a Minute. A day job is a person's usual work, what they do every weekday to earn money.
Don't give up your day job.
So guess what? I remembered Sue's birthday and I made her a gift all by myself.
Wow! Jonathan! What is it?
It's a homemade hat.
Nice work. But please, don't give up your day job. I'm not sure hat making is your thing.
Telling someone, don't give up your day job, is another way of saying you are not very good at something. Anna saw Jonathan's homemade hat and knew he could not earn a living as a professional hat maker. It is said jokingly, but can be considered rude. So be careful when using this expression. And that's English in a Minute.